High above the gateway town of Estes Park, Rocky Mountain National Park's alpine tundra opens into rolling green slopes dotted with tiny yellow wildflowers. In this early summer meadow, a regal bull elk stands motionless, velvet antlers sweeping the blue sky while cool pine-scented wind carries the distant hush of Trail Ridge Road. Sunlight filters through thin mountain air, warming his russet coat and revealing flecks of granite in the short grass underfoot. I had pulled off at one of the tundra overlooks west of Horseshoe Park and hiked a quiet spur trail, careful to stay downwind so my scent wouldn't drift. The park's vast silence settled in, broken only by a raven's croak and the soft clink of river stones far below. When the elk appeared against the wildflower hillside, I dropped behind a lichen-covered boulder, heart thumping as I framed the shot. He raised his head toward Long's Peak, gave a single sniff of the crisp air, and held that proud pose just as I pressed the shutter. It felt like witnessing the very spirit of Estes Park's high country, wild, calm, and timeless. Your print is produced to order on premium photo paper, gallery-wrapped canvas, brushed aluminum, or modern acrylic. Every finish uses long-lasting, UV-resistant inks and is offered in multiple sizes, bringing the untamed beauty of Rocky Mountain National Park into any living room, office, or cabin retreat.